Hello friends, let's start Kanji Masho 16 and 4 kanjis 7. Ike, pond kanji. We have already seen ground kanji. In that, the second radical is the same radical used here with liquid droplets radical. So it means water on ground. So pond. Onyomi is chi. Utau, sing kanji. This has two ka kanji radicals, one on top of another. These ka kanji radicals mean good, and the next radical is lacking radical ketsu. But this radical also means yawning. And if we see a singing face, it looks like it is yawning. Hence, that kanji radical may have been used here. So, a yawning like face from which good things are coming out one after the other is singing. Onyomi is ka. Same as the good ka kanji radical, its onyomi is also ka. Tomaru, stop kanji. We have already seen up kanji in Kanji Masho 3. This is a modification of that kanji. It has an upright line on the up kanji. So it means standing upright. That is stop, halt. Onyomi is she. Tadashi kanji. Tadashi means right, just. If we add a horizontal line to the stop Tomaru kanji, it means having the upright. That means just or right. Onyomi is sei or show. Again, from Tomaru kanji, there is another kanji which is aruku. This has stand kanji on top and sukunai or a little kanji radical at the bottom. So it means standing for a very short period of time. That means walking. While walking, legs stop only for a while on ground. Onyomi is o or bu or fu. Kunyomi is aruku or ayumu. Shinu, dai kanji. This has evening kanji radical and one radical and a stroke on top. This radical is used to say one. So it means having the evening of one's life, that is end of life. Dai. Onyomi is she. This kanji radical is she, which means Mr. or Mrs. So it indicates one person. But when the top stroke is replaced by a rectangle, it becomes plural. And the meaning is people, nation, subjects. Onyomi is min. Onyomi is used more frequently than the kunyomi, which is tami. Music or easy kanji, gaku or raku. This kanji has white kanji radical and 4 peace strokes in 4 directions, which is generally used to say quiet or happiness. It has also tree radical at the bottom. This radical is used to indicate something made of wood or also to say no depending on the context. Here it is used as wood, that is wooden instruments. White kanji radical is used to say simple or pure. So this kanji together means simple happiness, which can also be accompanied by wooden musical instruments and hence music. Kunyomi is tanoshi. Most common word example is ongaku with sound kanji. It means music. Toku, special kanji. This has 2 radicals. First is the cow radical or beef radical, and the next radical is Tera temple radical. So it looks like cow sacrifice at the temple. Cow is sacrificed on special days. So this kanji means special. But I don't know if cows were sacrificed in Japanese temples. But this kanji means special and we can use this explanation to remember it. It has no kunyomi. Most common word example is with different betsu kanji, tokubetsu. It means special. Yo, ocean or western kanji. This has the goat kanji radical and liquid droplets radical. Some radicals are used only because of their onyomi. This goat kanji radical seems to be one of them. Goat kanji onyomi is yo. The liquid droplets here mean ocean. Hence, ocean or what lies beyond ocean, that is the western countries. It has no kunyomi. Most common word example is yofuku, which means western clothes. Arau or wash kanji. This has the before kanji sen and liquid droplets radical. Whenever you start any work like eating, you have to wash yourself first. Hence, the before water, that is washing. Its onyomi too is sen. Most common word example is sentaku, which means laundry, washing. Umi, sea kanji. This has every kanji radical, mai, and liquid drops radical. So the water which keeps flowing every day with waves is the ocean or sea. Onyomi is sky. Kan kanji. This kanji is the kanji used in the word kanji. This has the liquid droplets radical and another radical which almost looks like a Chinaman because of the rectangular eyes-like design, which resemble the small eyes of the Chinese people, or at least we can think so to remember this radical. The upper three strokes are used to say blossoming, like in hana or kusa. All these radicals together mean Chinese, which is across the seas from Japan. It has no kunyomi. Noon, go kanji. This kanji has been discussed in detail in Kanji Masho 8. Mono kanji. This kanji has 4 slanted strokes which are used to represent moving animals as we have already seen, and a cow radical. This is because this kanji is used to say animal too, but it is also used to say things. Onyomi is butsu or mutsu. Most common word example is do butsu with mu kanji radical do, ugoku. Dobutsu means animals. Sosogu, pour kanji. This has the owner kanji radical and liquid droplets radical. So this kanji is very simple to understand. A container which owns liquid is dropping liquid. Hence, pour. Onyomi is chu. This is also used to say pour your attention on. That is heed. Most common word example is chui, which means pour thinking on, that is be careful. Now let us see if you remember all the kanjis taught just now.